Welcome to holisticinvestment.in YouTube channel. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decisions. Are you someone who wants to invest in the stock market or have already invested in it? If yes, then it is important to know the most common mistakes that a beginner investor makes in the stock market. Now the question here is, why do beginners tend to make these common mistakes? According to me, there are two simple reasons. First is, stock markets can be a tricky place for a beginner investor, and as it is true in life that a human learns from his mistakes, it is also true for investing in the stock markets. Second reason is, while stock markets offer you a variety of investment avenues or opportunities, despite all the knowledge, even expert investors tend to make very simple and most common mistakes while investing in the stock markets. So, in this video, we'll make you aware of the top 5 common mistakes made by a beginner investor in the stock market and how to avoid these mistakes. First common mistake that is made by a beginner investor is investing with a trader mindset. Investors try their hand at day trading without knowing that it works for them or not. They trade too much with no strategy, trade on rumors and tips, and buy with herd mentality on market trends and underestimating risks. Time in the market is more important than timing the market. This simply means focus on the time that you have invested in the market and also the purpose of your investment, that is your goal. Map your investments to your goal and stay invested until you reach your goal. This is the right way to invest. Now, to generate good long term returns, your portfolio needs to go through periods of negative return, high return, low return, and also no return. So, have conviction and patience to stay the course. Now, let's look at the second most common mistake beginners investing in stock market makes, that is, setting unrealistic expectations. Investors should not make the common mistake of making unrealistic assumptions about the market returns, which may lead to wrong investment decisions. There's nothing wrong with expecting the best from your investments. But if your financial goals are based on unrealistic assumptions, you could be in danger. So, for instance, the market's long term average returns is close to 10%, but in some years it can surge 25% or more, while it can drop by 25% or more too. Expect volatility and know that few stocks will deliver long term average returns of more than 20%. So, never put any money into stocks that you may need within the next 5 years because the market occasionally swoons and can take a few years to recover. Now, next common mistake made by the stock market investors is to put too many eggs in one basket. Many investors make the mistake of investing all their money in a single security or sector. In this situation, a negative influence on one sector can have a significant negative impact on an investor's portfolio. So, these errors can be avoided by investing in all sectors or investment instruments and using an appropriate spread based on your risk appetite. These can assist in achieving the ideal risk to reward ratio. Now, the fourth mistake we all make is investing in things you don't understand. Investing isn't simple as it appears. Many beginners make the mistake of investing in something they don't fully understand. This could be due to lack of research or simply lack of understanding. There will always be trends in the market that will tempt you towards investments, and you may just start investing based on the trend. For example, your mutual fund investment is giving you 10 to 12% returns, but there might be some trending investments that give you 30 to 40% returns. These trends will not decide the future returns in a particular sector or company. Remember, you're there for the long term and know that a trend can give you returns in the short term, but it can also eat up part of your returns. Warren Buffett, one of the world's most successful investors, advises against investing in businesses whose business strategies you don't understand. Building a diverse portfolio of mutual funds is the best method to avoid this. If you do decide to invest in specific stocks, be sure you know everything there is to know about the companies they represent. Some industries, such as retail and transportation, can be easier to understand than others, such as biotechnology and financial services. Now, the fifth and the last mistake made by beginner investors in the stock market is falling in the investment advice from friends and families. Many new investors put too much faith in talking heads on financial TV programs or in hot stock tips offered by a friend or colleague. Anyone can recommend a stock, but you rarely really know the track record of the recommender, and even a great investor will make some bad calls. There have been numerous occasions where investors have lost money due to the wrong advice from friends and families. It is very difficult to resist the temptation of investing in a winning stock suggested by them. So, the best way to solve this problem is avoid getting distracted as much as you can. It is very important for an investor to do your research and then make financial decisions. When likely to be distracted, be patient and you are able to give the evaluation the required time and effort. So, these were the five most common mistakes made by beginner investors in the stock market. Now, if you have ever invested in the stock market and made one or more of these five mistakes, then do let us know in the comment section below. Every investor should take note of these most common mistakes made while investing in the stock market and strive to avoid them as much as possible. Repeating these typical blunders will quickly drain your bank account and will not help you build money in the long run. When making financial decisions, you may easily avoid these frequent blunders by using your skill sets, research, and analysis. I hope you got value from this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below or register for our 30 minutes free financial planning consultation using the registration link provided in the description. We also host regular live webinars on investment and personal finance. We'll be hosting one very soon. If you want to join, then check for the registration link in the description. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification to keep getting updates on more such useful videos. That's it for today. Meet you soon. Bye bye.